Hi there.
Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're diving into a topic that every English learner needs: step-by-step grammar tutorials to master the basics. Grammar is the foundation of any language. When you understand the rules, you can speak, write, and express yourself clearly and confidently. But don't worry, you don't have to learn everything all at once. By breaking it down step by step, you'll master the basics and build a solid foundation for fluency. Step 1. Start with simple sentence structures. Every sentence needs 3 basic parts: a subject, a verb, and an object. Example: I eat pizza. From here, you can build more complex sentences by adding adjectives, adverbs, or prepositional phrases. Example: I eat delicious pizza every Friday night. Step 2. Focus on the tenses. One of the most important parts of grammar is knowing how to use tenses. Start with these 3. Present simple: I study every day. Past simple: I studied yesterday. Future simple: I will study tomorrow. Practice forming sentences in each tense, and soon it will feel natural. Step 3. Master articles: a, an, and the. Articles can be tricky, but here's a simple rule: use a or an for singular, non-specific things. I saw a dog. Use the for specific things. I saw the dog in my yard. Step 4. Learn prepositions in context. Words like in, on, and at are small but powerful. Learning them in context is key. I'm in the room. The keys are on the table. The train arrives at 5 p.m. Step 5. Practice, practice, practice. The best way to master grammar is to practice every day. Write sentences, have conversations, and pay attention to how grammar is used in English shows, books, or podcasts. Quick recap: start with basic sentence structures. Learn the most common tenses: present, past, and future. Understand how to use articles like a, an, and the. Practice prepositions in context. Build your skills step by step with daily practice. Grammar might seem intimidating, but with a step-by-step approach, it's absolutely doable. Take it one rule at a time, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your confidence grows. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV for more practical and fun English lessons like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.